Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix the app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft Verified app. Alright, so ganito yung pop-up notifications na makikita natin kapag nag-install tayo ng apps na the app you are trying to install is it a Microsoft Verified app. Kung paano ba natin yan aayusin at ipipix, so napakadali lang naman. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung apps. And then dito sa apps, kailangan mo lang select yung advanced app settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa pinakauna mga kaibigan na choose where to get apps. And dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na to. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-select yung anywhere. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then close tab lang tayo. At pwede ka na mag-download at mag-install ng apps. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.